Today we'll show how to buy shares of Elektroimportoren AS, ticker ELIMP.OL, with a clear step-by-step example. Elektroimportoren AS is a consumer electronics and appliances company listed on Euronext, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account with an identity document and to add funds before you can make a purchase. Use the platform's search box and enter the ticker ELIMP.OL to locate Elektroimportoren AS. Make sure you select the listing traded on Euronext to ensure it is the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Double-check the exchange and ticker symbol to confirm this is the Elektroimportoren AS listing. Click Invest. Enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review order details such as order type and estimated fees before you confirm. If the market is closed, your order will be queued for the next session, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.